Hey everyone again. This is JPS Trading presenting episode 2 of my Trading to a Million. We're just approaching 8 a.m. today, this morning, on the 24th of August 2020. We've just seen the global futures just open in the US, which surprised me a little bit. They opened up quite modestly stronger, which I was reading everywhere from the AFR and a few other sources that we're going to see a bit of a sell-off today. So this threw a little bit of a spanner in the works for me personally. Obviously, I still had about a minute or two before the domestic CFD opened, which you'll see here, on what I was going to do. With my strategy, it was indicating that I should be going short quite confidently. But obviously, you can see from these bullish candles that we're seeing in the global markets, I was in two minds about it, actually, which isn't the greatest thing, obviously, being a trader, to be in, especially on a Monday, which is a little bit more difficult, I find personally, than other trading days. Just because when we do open, obviously it's Sunday night in the US, so the market's opened, but there's no momentum really to go off from the weekend, so people are sort of just starting their week, or they're putting on some small positions, or they're even de-risking. So there's a lot that just makes it difficult to be accounted for. But I decided to follow my strategy, which was good. I decided to go short, only low amount of risk. So this was only just about after 8 a.m., as you can see there. I watched the candles coming down and I was feeling pretty happy about that. But then I saw quite a large amount of buyers move in. So I thought in my head that I made the wrong decision and that the market was going to buck the trend today, which was indicating it was going to sell off. So I decided to just get out of that, just down about $30, which is nothing too drastic there, which is fine. And then we're coming to about 9:30 now, so this is about an hour and a half after, and I decided to actually go long, which is completely opposite to what I did before. But I was feeling personally that this trend was extremely strong and a lot of people were going to get caught off guard coming into market open, which we'll see in pretty close to the following clips coming up. So here I just decided to, before market, just open up Iris platform just to see the match prices and read a bit of the AFR as well. So a lot of the stocks were matching up as well, which is a good indicator for the market to open higher than what it closed. And we're getting real close to 950 here now, which obviously we saw a minor tick up, but then a push down. So I was okay at the time with this position, looking at it. I was like, okay, well, I think we might roll forward, hopefully, which we do for a short period of time. So I was thinking buyers were going to move in and the trend was going to be on quite strongly. Unfortunately, obviously this wasn't exactly the case. There was only, I guess, people were just getting wiggled out by the looks of it. And then the real trend really started after this. So this started to go quite strongly to the downside. I was risking about $200, but I decided to just take money off the table a little bit early, which you can see there. So unfortunately a down day today, which is fine. About $190, $180 down for the day. But yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you in the next clip.